everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. I'm an African-inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for over 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, running a fashion business, running a ready-to-wear business, all things business, all things fashion, and sometimes once in a while I talk about my life. So here in today's video, I'll be talking about, is talent enough to start a fashion design business? So basically this is a question I asked myself. I noticed that there's so many people who are interested in fashion design and want to go into fashion design and do fashion design as a career. There's nothing wrong with that. I think that's amazing. I think that's very, very good. But sometimes you will want to ask yourself, is talent enough to help you to start your fashion design business? Or even if you start a fashion design business, is talent enough to help you successfully run your fashion design business? So you may see people who know how to sew very well. They're very good at what they do. They can sew very, very, very well. And they have plans of starting a fashion business, or they have already started a fashion business, and they start the business and they, along the line, find themselves stuck because they're wondering why things are not necessarily working the way it should. Because at the end of the day, they say to themselves, but I'm very good. I'm very, very, very good at sewing. I can sew literally anything, as in anything. So why are my customers not coming to me? Why is the money not flowing the way it should? Because at the end of the day, I am very, very good at what I do. So if you're very good at what you do, how have you shown the world that you are very good at what you do? How have you shown the world that you can find a solution to its problems? When I talk about problems, those that are in need of your product or service in that regard, how have you shown yourself to them? How have you marketed yourself, marketed your business to them to be able to find you and come to you to solve their problem? Also, you may have marketed yourself, you may have put the word out there, you may have put yourself out there to be seen and be found by potential customers. And these customers are coming, but at the same time, you're not making the money that you should make because you are losing money or you're not making enough money. So it's either you're not making enough money or you're losing money and you're wondering why this is happening. These two scenarios alone are enough to tell you that talent is not enough. You may be very, very good. You may be the best seamstress or the best tailor available in your whole vicinity, but knowing how to sew alone is not going to give you a profitable and a successful business. There's so much more that goes into running a successful business. There's so much more that is involved other than you knowing how to sew. Because at the end of the day, yes, it is good to know how to sew. It is very, very good. In another video, I will tell you the reasons why it is very good for you to know how to sew. But at the same time, you find that, a lot of people are not necessarily the ones sewing all the garments that they're making so that they can have enough time to go and do other things that would build and grow the business in the direction that it should go. It is great to know how to sew, but if you don't know how to run a business, you run a chance of losing money or not making enough money that you should make to help you run the business successfully. Because every business, no matter how small it is or how big it is, needs money to run smoothly and effectively. You need to know what your basic numbers are. You need to know what you need to charge for your designs or your services to be able to help you run your business successfully. There's no point in you knowing how to sew and you're not charging your customers the right way, and your business is struggling, your business can't pay its overhead, the business can't run on its own. That is frustration on its own. So for you to run a successful fashion design business, you need to know about your basic numbers, of how your business is going to operate or how your business already operates. Knowing your numbers is the blood that runs through the veins of your business. It doesn't have to be technical, it can just be normal, basic arithmetic. And there are so many ways you can go and learn this. So my video for today is done. My video was very short. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon. Bye.